This is a wide stance cable chop. You're going to set yourself up in a wide stance. Make sure it's comfortable enough to where you can find 3 points of contact with both feet. In order to do that, you may need to turn your toes out slightly, but feel your way through it. You're going to line the cable up with one of your legs, and you're going to be chopping at a diagonal to the other side. So you're going to line yourself up, cable's in line here, and you're going to chop to the working leg. To set this drill up, take a step back from the cable. It should be a little bit higher than eye height. You're going to line the line of cable up with one of your legs and step out wide with the other. Sink into soft knees, relax your abs, and find 3 points of contact. That alone should help you stack the hips underneath the ribs. And if a long exhale relaxes your abs, you should be able to find a little bit of obliques. Let's keep that throughout the drill without overly bracing and crunching. So once you find this position, you're going to slightly stagger your stance by bringing the right foot, in this case, or the leg that I stepped out with, just ahead of the left foot, about the length of a big toe, just a couple inches. I'm going to sink into the leg that I'm lined up with. In this case, it's the left. I'm going to exhale, pushing off of this foot into the right leg, getting really long in this left side, and pulling just to the inside of my right knee, really feeling my body weight shift to that side. And I'm going to hold this position briefly and inhale, and then return back to the top. Sink left, hip shift right, exhale, inhale. Common issues with this are staying a little bit too vertical and using all knees. If your glutes are too tight, you're not going to be able to get into those back pockets. The flip side of that is hinging too far and reaching the rope too low. You want to just get that hip shift, find a little bit of that glute, and then stay in that position, staying stacked the whole time. You should feel as though you can comfortably shift your hips from side to side. If you cannot, make sure that your hips aren't too wide or too narrow, and you really want to think about getting long off of the leg that you're pushing through. So that's going to get you over into that right side. You want a straight line from shoulder, knee, and toe, just like this. You should feel the back pocket working. You're inhaling slowly, and then you push off that leg to get back. In this one, you're going to do both sides for your allotted amount of reps, and I really think you'll feel a difference in your hips when you're working out.